Hello, YouTube world. I'm here to give my review on this orange paint remover. Sorry. I remember to look into the camera when I'm recording. This stuff is absolutely phenomenal. I love it. I love it because you can use it on wood, plastic, and metal. With unlike aircraft remover, you can only use that stuff on metal. Anything else is just gonna eat right through it. It would eat right through that plastic bumper if I tried to use that on there. And I had to stop using aircraft remover. I used to buy that stuff by like the gallon because it really started to irritate my eyes really bad. Even if I had on like a full goggles over there with a face mask and everything. In order to use aircraft maneuver remover now, I would have to have the garage open. I would have to have a couple fans blowing, a respiratory mask, a whole entire like hazmat suit just to use that stuff because it's so strong and toxic and just powerful that I don't know, maybe I'm not resilient to it anymore. So I had to look for another alternative, which is where that came in. It's only about $8-9. I got off of Amazon, free shipping. Walmart probably has it too for probably the same price, if not less. So you can't go wrong. It's safer on the environment by a long shot. You know, and I grew up on Earth. You know, I live here, so I kind of want to stop being an asshole to the environment. I want to be a little bit nicer to Mother Nature. You know, do my part, all that good hippie tree hugger stuff. So I decided to give it a shot and I was not disappointed. Enough talking. Let me show you guys. This is a plastic bumper. It's coming off great. I can just peel it right off. And I'm actually kind of upset that I didn't just do this in the first place. If you can tell, I used a DA on there and I'm gonna have more work ahead of me. If I had just used this stuff at the very beginning, I wouldn't have to do any type of sanding. Well, I mean, I would start to sand, but not as aggressively. I gotta go over all this and smooth it out. Yeah, so I just made more work for myself. That's how it looks. It just comes straight off. Another good thing about this orange strip is that I would never ever be able to touch that with my hands with that aircraft remover crap. I mean, it has its place, definitely. But yeah, my hands would be on fire if I ever tried to do that without chemical gloves on. Here, I'll show you how it looks like in the car. Oh, my vice. I've already started to peel some of it off because I couldn't help myself. Like, I can't be, about to say, I can't be that only person. When I was a kid, what we used to do, the whole group of us, for some reason, we would put like the glue on our hands, wait for it to dry, and then peel it off. That was like the biggest thing in kindergarten and preschool, or I don't even remember when I stopped doing that, maybe second grade. But yeah, all the kids used to do it. I don't know why, I guess it's just something that's really relaxing, but I'm having a blast doing that again with this stuff. So I guess I never got over it. But yeah, comment below. I'm pretty sure other people love to do that too, like just peel stuff off or peel glue off. I know some people peel like their scabs off and crap. But anyway, this is how it looks. This is one application, by the way. And since it's automotive paint, I think where the negative comments come in or reviews from some people, they expected it to work within 10-20 minutes. But with automotive paint, you gotta remember it has a hardener in it, so it's gonna take a lot more time for this stuff to take the paint off versus if you just had some wood paint or you just were taking some paint off of some furniture, off of wood furniture. It probably would work in like 20-30 minutes. But for a car, you have to leave it on there for like a day. It started to get all bubbly and come off after about 4 hours, but I wanted to leave it on there, and just came back in the next day, which is today, and this is how it looks. So if you are planning on using this orange strip stuff, plan, especially if you're doing it for a car, which this is what this review is for, plan on leaving it on for plan on leaving it on for a day. Excuse that buzzing or that beep noise. My garage door sensor is all messed up. I gotta fix it. What else? Oh, also, again, for the value, you can't beat it. You really can't beat it. I want to peel some more of this off. Oh, I gotta stop doing that. It's so fun. I have about this much left. So I've used about a quarter of the bottle. And again, it cost about $9, I believe. So a quarter of a bottle to do almost the entire car is a damn good value. I mean, it's a very, very good value. I'm probably going to go over it again in little spots that I didn't get a chance to go over. I didn't do the roof yet because I wasn't sure I was going to paint that over again, but I'm just going to do the whole thing. I'm just beat it. I already got the fenders off, and I might just go ahead and just do it. The bumpers off. Yeah, so I don't know. There's nothing else to really say. This video is getting kind of long, so. But my review on that orange strip stuff is a big thumbs up. Worth the value. It's way better on the environment. You know, we have enough problems with the environment. Be a little bit better to it. You can use it without having to have a bunch of respiratory stuff on. It doesn't burn your eyes. There's no skin irritants unless you're allergic to oranges. Then don't touch it with your bare hands. What else? It doesn't. There's no like harsh toxins in the air, so you can apply it and take it off without having a fan on. All around, good stuff, and very, very good stuff. Look at that. Absolutely worth it. $9. Hell yeah. And I'll have enough to do the whole car over again if I wanted to. Okay, thank you for tuning in. See you guys next time. Bye.